The IHSG Advanced Manufacturing Index experienced a significant increase in trading turnover in May, surging one-third higher than activity in April. Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, SATS, and ST Engineering are the top 3 STI performers in May and are also part of the IHSG ADV Manufacturing Index. Their positive performance contributed to the IHSG ADV Manufacturing Index up by 4.4% in May, outpacing the STI. The IHSG ADV Manufacturing Index booked 60 million Singapore dollar net institutional outflow in May. YZJ Shipbuilding, Mermaid Maritime and Marco Polo Marine booked the highest net institutional inflow proportionate to market cap. Compared to other actively traded index stocks. All 3 reported a growth, with Yangzijiang Shipbuilding outstanding order book had grown to $16.1 billion in contract value. Mermaid Maritime reported $88.0 million in revenue from rendering of services, an increase of 102% from 1Q FY23. And Marco Polo Marine reported revenue growing by 10% to 61.6 million Singapore dollars from 1H FY2. Scan or click the link in the description to learn more about these stocks, or join SGX Invest on Telegram for the latest news update. Please note this is a general commentary of historical performance and not necessarily indicative of future performance. Check out our investment courses that are up to 70% subsidized at cyberquote.com/sg or contact us at support@cyberquote.com.sg.